So this is going to be fun, heading down to Derry, the I-93 102 overpass, where the state has been involved in a multi-year highway reconstruction project, working with a client out of Pennsylvania called TieBot. They're bringing up an automated bridge rebar tying machine, and 603 Drones has been hired to do all the aerial footage and also ground footage via our partner 603 Media Group. So this is going to be pretty exciting. Looking forward to it. Alright, so as we're packing everything up for tomorrow's project over on the bridge, I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you what goes into something like this and the kind of gear that we need to bring with us. So let's have a look. So here we have a combination of the still photography and aerial photography equipment that we will be using tomorrow. Laptop for my own purposes for image and data tracking while we're in operation. Of course, all the still photography equipment. A couple of Canon 5D bodies with 70 to 200 lens, 150 to 600 Sigma lens, a backup 100 to 400 lens, and of course my trusty 24 to 70, which will probably be the workhorse for tomorrow's wide angle shots. Also running a little Lumix GH4 camera for some video work. You see here the controls and some of the batteries that we'll be bringing with us for our DJI Inspire aerial unit, which you can see right here in the background. That is the DJI Inspire, nicknamed Sunny. And the other workhorse for tomorrow, of course, will be our big dog. This is a DJI S900. It's a couple of years old at this point, but still an incredible workhorse. This is actually outfitted to also carry that same Lumix GH4 camera that you saw a moment ago. So we will be able to take very good quality 4K video from the air. So this is some of the gear that we're going to be using tomorrow, and gives you a good idea of what goes into a project like this. Okay, so just had a great meeting with the client, got to see the device in action, and we're going to save that exciting stuff for tomorrow when we actually get back on site and start doing stuff for real. But this is going to be pretty fun. We got a little more clarification over what the project parameters are going to be, and looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Large construction site.